Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over all the best deals that are going on this week at Walgreens. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can show your support for my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, you guys know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up this week, Walgreens gave me another huge spend booster. Last week I had a spend $50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. This week they gave me a spend $60, get back $15 in Walgreens cash. So I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be going into Walgreens and doing a spend deal. We may just go in and do a couple of smaller deals this week. Alright, so let's start off with a couple of coupon codes. We have an extra 15% off when you spend $25 or more on toys and games with code TOY15. We also have 15% off when you spend $25 or more on Walgreens brand items with code WAG15. And we still have this coupon code for an extra 10% off on select wellness and self-care items with the code NEWYOU. And we also have a really good deal on the 11x14 posters this week. If you use the code DISPLAY199, you're going to be paying $1.99. Alright, next up we have a sale on premium chocolates or snacks. They are on sale this week, 2 for $7. That makes those $3.50 each. And we also have Valentine's Day novelty chocolate or candy. Those are on sale this week. Buy one, get one 50% off. And we do have a couple of coupons that'll go along with these candy deals. So we do have an IVC or store coupon for 2 off 2 of the Hershey's Valentine's Day Heart Boxes. If you want to pick up 2 of those this week, that's going to put you at $10.48. Use that 2 off 2 IVC store coupon, and that is going to leave you paying $8.48 for 2, making those $4.24 each. And we also have a sale on the Hershey's Valentine's Day candy. So those are on sale this week, 2 for $6. And we have a 1 off 2 IVC store coupon for those as well. So use that, and that's going to leave you paying $5 for 2, making those $2.50 each. Alright, next up we have a deal on Maxwell House Coffee. This is only 24.5 to 30.65 ounce cans. These are on sale this week. Buy one, get one for free. So that's going to leave you paying $11.99 for 2, making those $5.99 each. Alright, next up we have some pretty good deals on laundry care this week. We have the Ajax liquid laundry detergent 40-ounce bottles. These are on sale this week, 3 for $4, making those $1.33 each. Next up, we have Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. This includes the liquid or the pods or the scent boosters. These are on sale this week. Buy one, get one for free, so that's going to leave you paying $7.69 for 2, making those $3.84 each. Alright, next up we have a pretty good sale on the Downy Bounce and Tide Simply products. So these are on sale this week, 4 for $9. And we do have some coupons that will go right along with this sale. So you want to pick up 4 at $9. Make sure that you're picking up at least 1 Tide Simply product and 1 Downy or Bounce product. And the other 2, you can choose which ones you want to pick. Okay, so then you're going to use one of the 50 cent off 1 Tide Simply insert coupons from the January 2 save insert, and 1 off 1 Downy or Bounce insert coupon from the P&G insert. That's going to leave you paying $7.50 for 4, making those $1.87 each. And if you have a Walgreens in your area that aren't super strict on the coupons and how many you can use, here's an awesome deal that you can do. I know in my area, my Walgreens is super strict. They follow it to the T, so there is a limit of 1 per person per day on these coupons. But like I said, if your store allows you to use more than 1 like coupon in a transaction, you can do this deal right here. You can pick up 4 of the Downy or Bounce products at $9 and use 4 of those 1 off 1 Downy or Bounce insert coupons from the P&G insert. That's going to leave you paying $5 for 4, making those $1.25 each. Alright, next up we have a deal on the all liquid laundry detergent. These are priced at $3.49 this week. We did receive a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon as well as an insert coupon in Sunday's newspapers. So use one of those, and that's going to leave you paying $1.99. And we also have the all free and clear Mighty Packs. These are also priced at $3.49. We did receive a 2 off 1 insert coupon in the 1/16 save insert. So that's going to leave you paying $1.49. All right, next up, we have a little Cottonelle deal here. So you want to pick up 2 of the 4-count Cottonelles. These are priced at $6.99, but they're on sale this week. Buy one, get one half off. And we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $9.48 for 2, making those $4.74 each. And we also still have the Scott paper product deal going on this week at Walgreens. So the Scott paper products are on sale. Buy one, get one half off. Those are priced at $5 each. So you want to pick up 1 of the paper towels and 1 of the bath tissues. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for each of those. So you're going to pick up 2 at $7.50. Use 2 of those 1-off-1 digital coupons, and that's going to leave you paying $5.50 for 2, making those $2.75 each. And if you pick up any of the Cottonelle, Kleenex, Scott, or Viva products, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards Rebate app, because right now on Fetch Rewards we have a bonus for spend $25 on these items, and you're going to get a 5,000 point bonus, which is the equivalent of $5. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend that you go and check it out, because this is the easiest rebate app out there. It's great for new couponers. You don't have to add anything onto your account. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt, and you're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you want to go and check it out, I do have a referral code. It is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below, and if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. All right, next up, we have a little deal on the Palmolive dish soap this week. So this is on the 20-ounce bottles. These are priced at $2.99 each, and they're on promotion for when you buy 2, you're going to get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So you want to pick up 2, that's going to put you at $5.98. We have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $5.48 out of pocket, or you can use Walgreens cash to pay. And you're still going to receive that $3 in Walgreens cash back for buying 2. That's going to make your final price $2.48 for 2, making those $1.24 each. All right, next up we have a deal on Olay body wash. Now this isn't the greatest deal, but if you need to pick up some body wash and you may be able to pair this with a spin booster, it could turn out to be a pretty good deal, all right? So these are on promotion this week for when you buy 4, you're going to get back a $4 register reward, and they are on sale 2 for $13. So if you want to do this deal, you're going to pick up 4, and that is going to put you at $26. We have a 1-off-1 and a 2-off-2 digital coupon. You're going to use both of those. That's going to leave you paying $23 for 4, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back a $4 register reward for purchasing 4, and that's going to make your final price $19 for 4, making those $4.75 each. All right, next up, we have a deal on the soft soap body wash this week. So these are on promotion. When you buy 2, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So these are priced at $3.99 each. So you want to pick up 2. That's going to put you at $7.98. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $6.98. And you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're still going to get back that $5 in Walgreens cash for purchasing 2, and that's going to make your final price $1.98 for 2, making those 99 cents each. And if you have some insert coupons, this deal gets a little bit better, because you can pick up 2 of the soft soap body wash at $7.98. Use 1 of the 1-off-1 digital coupons and 1 of the 1-off-1 insert coupons from the 116 Smart Source. That's going to leave you paying $5.98. And like I said before, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and that's going to make your final price 98 cents for 2, making those 49 cents each. All right, next up, we have a deal on Head & Shoulders shampoo and conditioner. So these are priced at $5.99. So you're going to pick up 2 at $11.98. We have a 3-off-2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $8.98, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. These are on promotion for when you buy 2. You're going to get back a $4 register reward, and I'm pretty sure that that is a store register reward. That's going to make your final price $5.98 for 2, making those $2.99 each. All right, next up, we have an awesome deal on the L'Oreal Paris Elvive shampoos and conditioners. So these are priced at $3.99. You want to pick up 2, that's going to put you at $7.98. Use the 4-off-2 manufacturer digital coupon, and we also have a 2-off-2 IVC store coupon. So you want to use both of those. That's going to leave you paying $1.98. You can use Walgreens cash to pay, and that makes your final price $1.98 for 2, or making those just 99 cents each. Alright guys, next up we have an awesome deal on the Skintimate and Chic Shave products. So this is on promotion for when you spend $20, you're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So you do not want to use Walgreens cash to pay for this deal, okay? And this would be awesome if you had a spin booster, like a spend 20, get back 5. You could definitely pair it up with that and it would be even better. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of these Skintimate women's razors at $5.99, one of the Chic Hydro men's razors at $8.99, and one of the Skintimate shave gels at $2.99. That's going to bring your subtotal to $23.96. The coupons that you're going to use is a 3-off-1 Chic disposable razors digital coupon, the 4-off-1 Chic Hydro digital coupon, and the 1-off-1 Chic shave gel digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $15.96 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So that's going to make your final price $5.96 for all 4, making those $1.49 each. Alright, next up we have the soft soap hand soap, the 7.5 ounce bottles, okay? So these are on promotion for when you buy 4, you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash. These are priced at $1.99 each, but they're buy one, get one half off. So you're going to pick up 4, and that is going to put you at $5.96. And we also have a 75-cent off 1 digital coupon, so you're going to want to use that, and that'll leave you paying $5.21. You're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash, and that'll make your final price $1.21 for all 4, making those just 30 cents each. Now, if you want to pick up the larger bottles, the 11.25 ounce soft soap hand soaps, you can pick up 4 of those at $8.96. Use that 75-cent off 1 digital coupon, plus 3 of the 50-cent off 1 insert coupons from the 116 Smart Source. That's going to leave you paying $6.71. You're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash. And that is going to make your final price $2.71 for all 4, making those just 67 cents each. Alright, next up we have Colgate Toothpaste. These are on promotion this week for when you buy 2, you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So you're going to pick up 2, that's going to put you at $7.98. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3.98. You're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash, and that's going to make your final price completely free. Alright guys, next up we have a deal on Oral-B products. So these are on sale for $3. You want to pick up one of the Oral-B Super Floss and one of the Oral-B Manual Toothbrush 1 count. That's going to put you at $6. You want to use the 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Oral-B toothbrush. That's going to leave you paying $5. These are on promotion. Get back a $4 register reward when you buy 2. And again, I'm pretty sure that that is a store register reward, but that'll make your final price $1 for 2, making those just 50 cents each. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a $1 rebate on the Oral-B toothbrushes and a $1 rebate on the Oral-B floss. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and you're going to get $2 back. That will make your final price completely free plus a $1 moneymaker. Alright guys, now we're going to move on into some clearance finds that I found. Alright, so we have the Colgate Swish Mouthwash. These are on clearance right now for $2.99. We have a 2-off-1 insert coupon from the January 2 inserts. That's going to leave you paying just 99 cents. Next up, I found the Pro Partial Cleansers. These were half off at just $3.49. We also have some Crest Mouthwash. These were marked down to $4.29. And then we also have Listerine Mouthwash. So these are the huge bottles, and these were marked down almost 50% off, okay? So the one on the right is priced at $4.49. The one on the left was $4.39. Alright, and here's a few more Listerine products. So we have the Listerine mouthwashes on the left. Those are priced at $3.89 and $4.69. And then we have the Listerine Ready Tabs. Those were priced at $1.69 and $2.49. Next up, we have the Waterpik Flossers. These were originally $100, but they're on clearance right now for $59.99, so that leaves you saving $40. Awesome savings there. Alright, next up we have some Neutrogena men's products with the face lotion and age fighter. These were marked down to $3.39 and $6.99. Then we have the Harry's Daily Face Lotion. Those were marked down to just $2.29. And I'm not quite sure if I'm saying this right, but the Cremo face wash, and there were some other products there as well. Those were also on clearance, so be on the lookout at your store. Alright, and here is one of the deals that I picked up. We have the Conair Man Trimmer. These were priced at $23.99, but they're on clearance right now for just $7.29. That leaves you with a savings of $16.70. So I just could not pass that one up, and I used Walgreens cash to pay, so it turned out to be an awesome deal. And here's another awesome clearance find that I did end up purchasing. We have the Braun Series 3 shavers. These were priced at $65.99, but they're on clearance right now for just $16.49. So that left me with a savings of $49.50. So if you are out shopping at Walgreens and you see any of these items at your store, you may want to grab them, take them up to the register, and have the cashier price check them for you, because they may be on hidden clearance, or maybe the employees just haven't had time to go through and mark the clearance items yet. So just be on the lookout and keep your eyes peeled. Alright guys, so there you have it. There are the best deals that are going on at Walgreens this week. If I find any more coupon matchups, I will post them in the community tab, so be on the lookout for that. Also, go ahead and check your accounts, because we do have the new sneak peek boosters already out, and you want to make sure that you clip those to your accounts before they disappear. Now, it looks like Walgreens decided to cut me a break for next week, and they finally gave me a spend $25, get $6 in Walgreens cash digital booster. So I'm very much looking forward to next week, because this week's spend booster just wasn't cutting it. Spend $60, get back $15 in Walgreens cash isn't very appealing to me, but I really like seeing these spend $25, get back $6 in Walgreens cash digital boosters. And don't forget, you can stack those with paper boosters if you get those from the Catalina machine. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I do want to take a second to thank each and every one of you all for being here. I know that the majority of my videos are centered around Dollar General, so getting these Walgreens videos up and off the ground, it's a little bit difficult. It takes a little while to catch on, so I really truly do appreciate each and every one of you all for clicking on this video and for supporting my channel. So thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. And if you all are not already subscribed and you want to become a part of our crazy couponing family here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, you can give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. And you guys already know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know, so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.